Marble Honing Wimbledon by Fabritech Tile Care, based nearby in New Molden. Do you have marble surfaces in your home that have lost their finish? Are you tired of seeing dull and worn-out marble in your beautiful Wimbledon home? We know how frustrating it can be to see your once elegant marble surfaces lose their sheen. But don't worry, you're not alone. Many homeowners face this challenge, and it's time to find the right solution. You might have tried various DIY methods and expensive products, but nothing seems to bring back the stunning shine of your marble surfaces. It feels like an uphill battle to restore the natural beauty of your marble, doesn't it? Well, worry no more. Fabritech Tile Care is here to save the day with their exceptional marble honing services. With years of experience and expertise, Fabritech Tile Care understands the unique needs of marble surfaces and uses state-of-the-art techniques to bring back their original beauty. If you want your marble surfaces in Wimbledon restored to their original finish, simply visit tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk or call 01784 775813 today, or click the website link below, and schedule your free consultation from our friendly local team.